Your mindset is the reason why you are still broke. There, I said it. Yes, your mindset is the reason why you are broke. And let me tell you, if you don't fix your mindset, then no amount of money will ever be enough for you.
Everybody needs some company.
We're talking about broke mindset. We're talking about how you looking at your bank account and be like, damn, why I'm always broke? Why things around me poverty? Like, it's because of your mindset. But what I tell you, if you change your mindset, the amount of money is just going to flow like water because your mindset has already changed. First of all, it's your girl Taijababesinc, and I'm back with another video. Let's get into it, straight into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get this thing started. All right, let me just tell you what broke mindset look like. It's always feeling that you don't have enough. There's never enough. The fear of spending, also impulsive spending, thinking that opportunities are not for you, and settling for less. Yes, you shorten yourself. That is a broke mindset. And let me tell you, when you keep that broke mindset, it'll keep you stuck. And it will even keep you stuck where opportunities around you, you don't even see. But I don't blame y'all. I really don't blame y'all. It's all about like how you grew up. And I'm going to tell you, if these the things that you struggle with growing up, just raise your hand, because I'm going to tell you, we all had them problems. First of all, it's about what you was taught about money, right? I was taught something totally different. I was growing up with survivor mode. I thought about like past financial struggle. Even if I look at my family members and their past struggles, I always like compare and contrast. Be like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. So I try to my best to get that and make sure like, if I get, go to college and get a good degree and I will get a good job, I don't ever have to be broke. But I did that, still wind up in the same position that I'm in. So I had to like really come to the realization. I'm like, okay, where did my financial mindset, where did my broke mindset started from? And it started from like how you come up, how you was taught from money. Now I'm not saying let's blame your parents, but also when we started getting to like the adulthood and figuring it out for ourselves, like we just really didn't have a background in it. And we need to stop normalizing it, but don't be ashamed of it. So that's how you start with your poverty mindset. It's all about like how you viewed money growing up. But like I said before, don't blame your family. Don't blame whoever raised you. Don't blame them, because you are holding yourself back. I'm going to tell you, like, again, raise your hand. If this is you, okay, you play small. You don't take opportunities. You're staying in fear. And you're sabotaging your own growth. Like, baby, for the back. Who is that? Who is that? I think that's you, but you ain't want to say anything. But that's definitely you. And that's your broke mindset. Y'all got to do better than this. You are holding back on your opportunities. What you scared of? What you scared of? But I get it. If all these was you, then you should not be ashamed. You should not be ashamed how you grew up viewing money. You shouldn't be ashamed that you did have a broke mindset. And you also shouldn't be ashamed that you and take accountability that you are holding yourself back. But your good old sis here, I got all the steps that you have to do so you could change your mindset for the better you. So let's start by healing your mindset. And I'm going to tell you what to do. You have to start believing more that the possible is for you. There's nothing too possible for you, and there's no thing impossible for our God, okay, or the universe. Whoever you believe in, I don't judge, but you have to start believing in yourself first to know that this life is any type of possibilities. The second thing is catching and correcting negative money thoughts, right? Catching yourself and thinking, well, I'm always broke. And speaking it as well, like, I'm always broke. Every time I get my check, it goes straight to bills, which I understand that's real life. But I always say that whatever you think is going to happen in 3D form, right? If you keep on saying that you're broke, you're broke, you're broke, and you keep on thinking you're broke, you're going to see your environment like that. You're going to see your environment around poverty. You're going to see like your bank account that is always in the negatives. It's always low money, that you don't have enough money because of your mindset. Because your mindset already saying that you're broke, because you're looking at that instead of thinking like, no, I'm not broke. I'm not broke. Right now, I am in between, but I'm not broke. Money comes to me. Money comes to me easily. The third thing is learning basic financial habits, right? Like budgeting, okay? Knowing that it's okay to not get your nails done. It's okay to not get that outfit. It's okay. So sometimes, like, do your own hair. It's okay. It's okay to like kind of budget so you could set up a better future and start saving. Because at the end of the day, that the nails gonna get done eventually. That hair gonna get done eventually. That shoes gonna be there. If not, they got other shoes in the world. It's not that serious. Go ahead and get you some type of financial habits. Save $5 each paycheck. It's all about saving and putting that little short in, and you'll see it build up in time. We all want quick money, but the best money to make is slow and steady. And I'm telling y'all, that's the best thing. And stop comparing yourself. Oh my God. Stop comparing yourself to Jeff Bezos. Baby, Jeff Bezos, he started from where we're at right now. He might have a broke mindset at first, but when he started getting that poverty, that positive mindset, that money making mindset, that's why he a billionaire. It's all about your mind right here. And he never compared himself to anybody that I know of. But if he did, it's a human nature. But what he did, he snapped out of it. He snapped out of it. Lord, I can't talk. He snapped out of it and he focused on his journey. He's like, okay, I got to have a plan here. I want to do this. I want to do that. And eventually I want to make this amount of money. And I feel that that's what you could do, is focus on your journey. Focus on, okay, I know I want to make this certain amount of money. What I got to do, how I'm going to get there, and what I still got to continue to do so I could get to my goal. And that's the whole thing, is getting to your goal, setting a plan and getting to your goal. Another thing is put yourself in better environments, mentally and physically, right? You want to get yourself out of a poverty mindset. Is your environment. Put yourself around positive people, or basically, if you don't have that friendship yet, I look at affirmations. I look on YouTube and look at affirmations. I look at you on YouTube and look at people with podcasts and talking about mindset, talking about, how to become a better version of yourself. What I do, and I also I exercise, and I put headphones, affirmations like, I'm wealthy, I'm taken care of, I live a life that I dream of. And it takes that also, and that could help you with your mindset. It will actually program your mindset to think positive all the time. Is when you get those affirmations, you heal your mindset by bettering yourself, bettering your environment. So that means if you got to go on YouTube, look up affirmations, look up podcasts, people talking about money and everything. And even I started looking at podcasts about people and how they make money. The first thing they say about is a mindset. It's all about your mind. And I'm like, wow. And at first I thought they was crazy. I'm like, my mind, I'm physically looking at my fucking bank account right now. But no, you can't look at that. It all start with your mind. If your mind feel like you can't do it, then the rest of your body is going to feel like that too. then you're going to be lazy. You're going to procrastinate. You're not going to be consistent because your mind is saying that you're not going to be consistent. Your mind is not saying, hey, get up, do this video, go apply for the school, go apply for the job. Like, your mind's not doing that. Your mind's like, what if I don't get the job? What if nobody likes my content? What if? And that's where you need to heal. So start watching podcasts, start getting affirmations. When you exercise, put those headphones in and listen to affirmation. It will change your life. So in closing, you don't have to stay stuck in your mindset. You are taught to unlearn it, to grow and build a life that feels abundant and peaceful. But by you rewiring your mindset and healing your mindset, you are now starting the rest of your life. Today, you're going to say that I'm not broke. I am wealthy in money, spirit, and health. You are going to put your phones down and you're going to meditate. And you're going to meditate and listen to affirmation while you meditate on your new life. Rewire your mindset. Think about positivity. Do things that are positive, because once you think and you do things positive, your life is going to change. And you're not going to have that poverty mindset. You're not going to have a broke mindset anymore, because you deserve better. You deserve better than having a broke mindset. So go ahead, like this video, go ahead and comment down below on how you're going to heal your mindset. And I'll just talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.
Me have Campari Patron.